How to download and install Terraform on Windows. To download and install Terraform on Windows, we should follow those steps. First of all, we need to download. So just search Terraform download on Windows, then press enter, then just go to the website. Then if you scroll, you can see Windows. Just click here. Then you can copy the file here. You can create a folder and keep the file here. Then extract it here. Then copy the path, go to the environment variable, then go to the environment variable and select the path from system variable, then edit, then go to the new and paste the path link here and click OK. Click OK. Then you can check it from command prompt. Just open the command prompt terminal. Just type Terraform version. Now you can see the Terraform install on Windows.